Quick fit quinoa and oat toasts with air fryer eggs. Makes 2 servings and takes 20 minutes. Ready to enjoy a healthy Peruvian-inspired breakfast. 1 cup of cooked quinoa. 1 cup of ground whole oats. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1/2 cup of chopped spinach. 1/4 cup of chopped red onion. 1 small avocado sliced. Juice of 1/2 lime. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius and line the basket with parchment paper. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of cooked quinoa with 1 cup of ground whole oats. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Mix well. Fold 1/2 cup of chopped spinach and 1/4 cup of chopped red onion into the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix until slightly sticky. Press to form 4 round toast discs on a parchment-lined tray. Cook the discs in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, then flip and cook for another 5 minutes until golden. Meanwhile, cook the 2 eggs in the air fryer inside a small heat-proof ramekin for 7 minutes to achieve creamy yolks. Remove the toasts and let rest for 2 minutes. Carefully cut the eggs in half. Place the toasts on a plate, add sliced avocado and place the halved eggs on top. Drizzle with the juice of 1/2 lime. Adjust with salt and pepper to taste and serve immediately. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Closing, enjoy and share this recipe. Those were fit quinoa and oat toasts with air fryer eggs. If you liked this recipe, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more healthy Peruvian-inspired dishes.